Durga Chandrasekhar is known to me for the last 25 years. Uh, I'm not so fortunate to know about him or his uh, greatness in terms of his gifted abilities, and I can simply say that he is very uh, superb individual, blessed with lot of divine powers. It is very small thing. It is very as an astrologer. I really do not know what to really talk about him as an astrologer, but I see him something beyond astrology. Though he is known to me for quite some time, but I have not actually been exposed to his the I mean to say the qualities that have been enshrined him through divinity. I must have seen lot of astrologers. I must have seen lot of individuals who have great degree of spiritual powers. But Durga Chandrasekhar Garu is a very different and a unique personality. The way he deals with any situation is again very unique, and he always keeps the interest of the person whoever they approach him. It's always he keeps the interest of the person at the epitome. I am really blessed that I could see lot of his miracles happening through my close known circles, and it has happened with my own close friends, and it also has happened at my house. And it is difficult to say what kind of a miracles have been done, but I can tell you that the kind of the commitment that he has for the for anybody whoever approaches him is something absolutely, I can say it is zero commercial angle. Absolutely there is no commercial interest, and he goes beyond his I mean to say means. If anybody is calling, I have not seen anybody allow any astrologer, or for that matter anybody who has this kind of powers will allow you to have this kind of an access. I have seen people calling him at midnight. I think this is happening all across the globe. I do not know the number of clients that he has, but I heard that he has clients in more than 146 countries. This is something really, I should say, something very, very great, what I have actually not seen. I am obsessed with his divine powers and commitment to the people, and I probably, in case if I have to actually describe him in a very, very short manner, I can probably say that he is the absolute people's man. I do not see any kind of commercial or any kind of an interest. I only feel that I am really fortunate enough to get this kind of an opportunity to talk to him, so that there is a possibility that tomorrow many others also will be in a position to take the advantage of his divine powers. One interesting thing I actually would like to tell all of you. What I actually want to tell you is that people talk about professionalism, people talk about science, people talk about rationalism, etc., etc. But when it comes to the question of financial markets, maybe even in case when it comes to the question of stock markets, he is so unique. One day he has come to me and he said, Jayant, according to you, because I happen to be a financial analyst and I've been in the stock market for more than 25 years. So he asked me, Jayant, you give me your predictions with regard to the stock markets, and I can also give you the my views and my predictions, and my probably the estimates on the stock markets across the country, across the world. And I said, okay, fine, but you are also doing my job. In what way you are different? He simply told me that if you can give the predictions for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, I can probably give the predictions for next 10 years, next 15 years. And you people say that giving predictions in the very, very short run is difficult, but I can give you the predictions even for evening. This is not something to, he told me very humbly that I am not trying to do this to boast my strengths, but I am only trying to tell you that with the unique tool that I have, I only feel, and it is only my intention, that I am in a position to help some of the people who for various reasons are not able to generate wealth. Maybe they will be able to generate wealth because of my study and because of my own analysis. Whereas your analysis is something linked to general, but whereas my analysis is linked to a particular individual, and in my understanding whether the individual can make money or not. This is something very interesting and something very unique, what others have not thought about. And I should say that it is only the blessings of the Almighty and the I should say that the power of divinity. I am so happy to share my views, and maybe I wish and hope that many others in this universe will actually get benefited through him.